Anyhow, women were given an exemption to wear silk and gold. Yeah. So it's a permission, it's an exemption, mashallah. Permission, exemption, concession, go ahead. Men, it was prohibited for men to wear gold and silk. Do you know the mufassirin, the commentators of Quran, of Hadith, jurists? A lot of them have said one of the logistics in Allah, is Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam discouraging and forbidding men from wearing gold and silk and allowing women were allowed to wear it for beauty. Because, the more you beautify a woman, the more the man will love his wife. It doesn't matter how much she beautifies herself, he still goes and loves somebody else. So she's allowed to wear more gold and more silk, as much as you can attract this man and keep his eyes home. It's permissible in Islam. Right, Hafiz Muni? Yeah. That's why women are supposed to wear your jewelry and wear your silk and your pretty clothing at home. Not only when you go outside for other men to see you and admire you and you're home, you're like the maid and the servant. And then when a real maid and servant comes, she dresses better than you in the house. Then you got different attraction and distraction there now. That's why Brother Azad is not allowed to have a maid and servant home. He might be keeping his eyes on the maid and servant, that's astaghfirullah. But anyhow, men are not allowed to wear gold and silk, because a lot of the ulama have said in research that because of the quality of pride in men, they will become more proud, and they will want to flaunt it out to show that I'm better than you.